Space may look calm from a distance, but the universe is filled with threats so powerful they can erase planets, swallow stars, and reshape galaxies. These dangers move silently through the cosmos. No warnings, no mercy, just raw, unstoppable forces of nature that remind us how fragile life truly is. Welcome to Cosmic Nova. Today we explore the deadly dangers hidden across the universe. Most people imagine space as empty and peaceful, but in reality, it's a cosmic minefield filled with hazards that can destroy worlds instantly. Radiation storms, violent star collisions, invisible waves of energy. Every corner of the universe hides something capable of ending life with no trace. Among the deadliest cosmic threats are gamma-ray bursts, beams of pure energy so powerful they can sterilize entire galaxies. They last only seconds, but unleash more energy than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If one pointed at Earth from thousands of light years away, life would disappear instantly. When a massive star dies, it collapses in a violent explosion called a supernova. These blasts can outshine entire galaxies and hurl deadly radiation across space. If a supernova occurred within 30 light years of Earth, our atmosphere would evaporate and life would be over. Not every danger comes from stars. Millions of rogue planets drift through space with no sun, no orbit, and no warning. They're invisible, cold worlds wandering the galaxy. If one passed through our solar system, its gravity could destabilize orbits, including Earth's. Black holes are not cosmic vacuums roaming the universe, but if one came close enough, its gravity could tear apart planets, distort time, and stretch matter into ribbons. Some black holes travel through the galaxy at millions of miles per hour, completely invisible until they strike. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A teaspoon of their material weighs 1 billion tons. Some spin hundreds of times per second, firing deadly beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. A close encounter with a neutron star's magnetic field would destroy Earth's atmosphere instantly. Dark matter makes up most of the universe, but we can't see it. We only see its effects. If a dense clump of dark matter passed through our region of space, it could distort gravity, disrupt orbits, and destabilize stars, without emitting a single particle of light. These dangers are terrifying, but they're just the beginning, because the universe holds forces even stranger, more destructive, and more unpredictable than anything we've seen. To uncover the most extreme cosmic threats, ones that could erase galaxies, we must dive deeper into the unknown. As terrifying as supernovae and gamma-ray bursts are, there are cosmic threats far stranger and far more destructive. Some move silently, some warp reality, some can erase entire star systems without ever being seen. These are the universe's deep dangers, forces that defy our understanding of physics. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields 1 quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. If a magnetar were as far away as the moon, it would erase every credit card on Earth. Up close, its magnetic field could tear apart atoms, shred matter, and erase technology instantly. When a star wanders too close to a black hole, it's stretched into a long ribbon of plasma, torn apart by gravity in a violent spectacle called a tidal disruption event. The black hole then devours the star, lighting up space like a cosmic beacon. Not all stars stay in their galaxies. Some are launched at millions of miles per hour, kicked out by black holes or supernovae. These hypervelocity stars tear across the galaxy like cosmic bullets. If one ever passed near our solar system, it could gravitationally disrupt planets, including Earth. Cosmic rays are tiny charged particles traveling close to the speed of light. They can punch through planets, spacecraft, and even DNA. A powerful cosmic ray burst could strip Earth's atmosphere or cause mass extinction, and we would never see it coming. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe, supermassive black holes devouring matter at the centers of galaxies. They unleash jets thousands of light years long, blasting radiation strong enough to sterilize entire star systems. If our galaxy ever developed a quasar at its center, life on Earth would end instantly. Our galaxy, along with thousands of others, is being pulled by something enormous, something invisible, something we cannot see directly. This mysterious gravitational anomaly, called the Great Attractor, may be a massive cluster, a dark matter concentration, or something stranger. When neutron stars collide, they send out ripples in spacetime called gravitational waves. These distortions travel across the universe, stretching and squeezing everything in their path. Even Earth has been shaken by distant collisions, tiny tremors passing through our planet. Every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole millions, sometimes billions, of times more massive than our Sun. These monsters shape galaxy evolution, bend spacetime, and can swallow stars whole. If one drifted toward our region, nothing could stop it. Yet even these dangers pale in comparison to the ultimate threats, forces capable of ending the universe itself. Cosmic collapse, vacuum decay, the death of everything, the final dangers that lie beyond stars and galaxies. To face the most terrifying possibilities, we must journey into the deepest mysteries of physics. Everything we've seen so far, gamma ray bursts, magnetars, black holes, are terrifying, but they threaten only stars and planets. But the deepest dangers of the universe aren't local, they're cosmic. They operate on the scale of reality itself. And if they unfold, nothing, not galaxies, not atoms, not spacetime, will survive. The most widely accepted fate of the universe is heat death. Not fire, but freezing emptiness. Over trillions of years, stars burn out. Galaxies drift apart. Black holes evaporate. Energy spreads so thin that no movement, no life, no chemistry can continue. The universe becomes a vast, silent void. If dark energy grows stronger over time, it could stretch space faster and faster, until galaxies drift apart, then solar systems, then planets, then atoms, and finally, even spacetime itself is torn into fragments. This catastrophic possibility is known as the Big Rip. Another possibility: the universe's expansion might reverse. Galaxies would slow, stop, and then fall back inward. Everything would collapse toward a single cosmic point, the opposite of the Big Bang. Temperatures would rise to unimaginable levels. Space would fold. Time would reverse. And the universe would end in a final, crushing fireball. But the most dangerous possibility of all is one that gives physicists nightmares. Vacuum decay. If our universe is in a false vacuum state, it could suddenly collapse into a lower energy state. In an instant, a bubble of new physics would expand at the speed of light, erasing all atoms, all forces, and all structures as it passed. No warning. No survival. Just instant annihilation. Vacuum decay doesn't just destroy planets. It destroys the laws of physics themselves. Atoms stop working. Light behaves differently. Space-time rewrites itself. The universe wouldn't explode. It would simply change into something else, instantly and silently. Some theories propose that even dimensions can collapse. If an extra dimension folded or ruptured, it could ripple outward, collapsing the entire universe like a punctured balloon. This isn't science fiction. It's real physics. Our universe may be floating on a razor's edge. Most cosmic dangers are far beyond our control. We can protect ourselves from asteroids, radiation, and even some stellar events, but the end of physics, the collapse of space-time, these forces are woven into the structure of the universe itself. And yet, our existence is meaningful, because despite all these dangers, life emerged. Civilization grew. We became capable of asking questions about our own universe. The cosmos may be dangerous, but the fact that we're here, thinking, observing, exploring, means we are rare, maybe even extraordinary. The universe can be violent, unpredictable, and terrifying, But its dangers remind us how precious our existence is. We are small but not insignificant. We are fragile but curious. And as long as we keep exploring, we honor the brief, brilliant moment we've been given in this vast cosmic arena. Thank you for watching Cosmic Nova. Stay curious, stay aware, and join me on our next journey into the unknown.